Hi, this is just a quick tip for your Godot management. When you're working in your file system, it's good to have everything nested within particular photos. So we're going to make a couple things here so it's easier to understand. We're going to make a couple folders that define exactly what we're going to be using. So we're going to have stuff like textures, shaders, etc. And it's good to put these particular scripts in a scripts folder, or actually that got dragged in there. An icon is a texture, or your scene within a scenes folder. And it's even better if you have nested folders. So for example, we have core features. For example, if we're modifying any of these, so we have application manager, HTTP manager, input manager, networking manager. If we place these in a core folder, that means all of our core applications are in here. And it continues to go even further. Actually, no directory also exists in there. Or if you have, something like simple math, if you have a simple rotate function, maybe you have a procedural animation, so we have simple math. Maybe we'll make a simple rotate Y, and that would exist in your simple math folder. Keeping things organized through your hierarchy makes it very easy to understand, especially when you start to move into extraordinarily long projects. So if you also have a models folder, maybe you also have fonts, audios, and you could even take this farther, such as like soundtracks, sound effects, so SFX. And it continues to go further and further the more you refine this. And keeping track of these, it's easy to access. So if you want to dynamically load audios, all you'd have to do is go into your audios folder, sound effects, and the more you keep track of your file management, the easier it is to go through there. So I hope this helps, and good luck in your Godot adventures, dudes.